So how do you private your photos on the iPhone? Let's get started and let's talk about it. If this is your first time here on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So you have more ways how you can make your photos private. First of all, you can hold on your Photos app like this and click on required Face ID. This just means that you will have to scan your face every time you want to get into the photos, so it's not like random person can just start browsing your things, right? So that would be one way. Specifically within the photos, you can choose only some of them, like open up some of the pictures, click on the three dots in the top right, and you can also go to the hide, like literally just make the photo hidden, and it will be put away and stored in a hidden folder. So this can be found in the media types right there in the utilities actually. You can go to the hidden, but that might as well be protected by the Face ID or a passcode. So this as well gets the job done if you need to like hide away your pictures and so on, right? So this might be also a good idea. So that would be like the main or like the known ways to do that. On the other hand, I know a lot of people just open up their Notes app like this, start a brand new note, and you can just click on the paperclip icon and just import your photos or videos right here, right? So you can store pictures in the Notes app, and specific notes can be protected with a passcode, right? So you can literally click on lock, and you can use like your regular lock, the passcode for the iPhone, or create a separate one. So this gives you another layer of privacy and protection for photos like this. So let me know in the comments below which option you decided to go with. In case of any additional questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.